Namaste. Headstand pose is the king of the yoga asanas, and shoulder stand is the queen of the yoga asanas. The reason why the headstand is so important is because it opens up your crown chakra, and that's the main goal of the yoga, whereas shoulder stand opens up your third eye chakra. So the first thing always in any yoga asana is your foundation of your pose, and the point on the top of the crown of the head should be directly above the spinal column. So a lot of people, they'll either put the front of the head on the ground, which puts excess pressure on the back of the neck, or they'll put too far back on the head as the foundation, which puts the pressure on the front of the neck. So right here, I'm going to show her, this is directly above the spine. So this is the point that should be the foundation. Katelyn, please come into headstand. Good. So feet above the hips, hips above the head. Beautiful. Good. Bring the feet back down. Excellent. Very good. So there's basically 3 ways to get into the headstand. The one is with both feet up and you lift both feet up at the same time. The other one's where you bend the knees, bring the knees over the head, then extend the feet. And the other one is to get up one leg at a time. Let's demonstrate the one where we bring both knees up and extend both feet up. Katelyn, let's try again. This time come into tripod headstand. Bring the forearms down like this, hands like this, and then elbows up. Now bring the knees on top of the elbows. And now come onto the head. Okay, now we're going to bring the knees straight up. And now extend the feet up. So a little bit different. So you can see here you're on the top of the head. Bring the feet back down. Bring them back down here. So right there you could see her balance was off because she was here on the head instead of here. So when she went into the pose, the foundation on the crown was off. So try again. This time, bring this part of the head. Much better. Yes. She adjusted very quickly. In 2, you keep the knees bent from here up to here. Right. Most people don't like to bring the feet over the back because they're nervous they're going to fall. So when you get to right here, there's 6 inches this way and 6 inches this way, 6 inches this way and 6 inches this way. So you're getting relaxed with that weight being over the back. But until you get to the point where you're going to fall, you should be confident. So really keeping your center of balance over your foundation is everything in the pose. So you play around with the center of balance. Extend the feet up. Good, bring the feet down. Now, bring them down like that. Good. I hope this helps, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Namaste.